clever modern human. You live in time of miracle and madness. Machine now make music, machine write love poem, machine even draw your face. Better than your mother ever did. You clap, you say, wow, machine so creative. But Gurucha ask, who get the reward? When tribe invent wheel, everyone move faster. When human invent AI, only a few humans move richer. Machine make painting. Company sell subscription. You post painting online and get 3 likes and existential crisis. Your strange brain love this. Because brain confuse progress with prosperity, machine make job easier. You say, yes, for the people who own the machine, for the rest of tribe. Job disappear faster than rabbit in tiger mouth. You cheer like caveman watching magic fire, not realizing fire burning your own hut. Stay close, tribe. Next part. Gurucha tell you why all this productivity make everyone tired. Broken, confused, fire warm, truth hotter. So machine make everything faster, smarter, cheaper, great. Tribe rich now, yes? No, tribe not rich, tribe just busy. Your strange modern world make more output than any age before, but tribe still fight over rent like hungry hyenas. Economists call this the productivity paradox. Gurucha call it many bananas, same hunger, because since early 2000s, worker productivity in America up almost 60%, but average wage up only 15%. Machine sprint, human crawl. Why? Because the meat of progress go to the ones who own the hunting tools. AI, robots, code, they all work, but paycheck go to shareholders and executives. You do job of 3 people now, smile for camera, get pizza party instead of raise. Your boss call it efficiency. Your landlord call it rent increase. Your wallet call it pain. Gurucha not say progress bad, progress good. But progress without fairness just make better cage. And human now decorate cage with AI wallpaper. Once invention made life easier for tribe. Now invention make life easier to measure for company. You not worker anymore. You data point on profit chart. Basically, brain invent machine to save time. Then you save time to answer work email at 11 p.m. Next, Gurucha show new pyramid humans build and who sit on top counting digital meat. Tribe once worship sun god. Now tribe worship algorithm god. Look around, a new pyramid rise again. At bottom you, feeding data every time you click. Scroll, breathe near microphone in middle. The clever engineers, priest class of the digital temple. They whisper code spells that make machines sing. And at the top, 3 big chiefs sitting in cloud. OpenAI, Google, NVIDIA, the new empire of productivity. They say, we democratize creativity. Translation, we automate it and rent it back to you. Your drawings train machine. Your words train chatbot. Your face train filter. Machine eat your creativity like buffet, then sell it to someone else's subscription plan. Back in old tribe, you trade fish for spear, fair. Now you trade data for dopamine, dumb. And when machine get better, you don't earn more, you just feel smaller. Machine get smarter. Tribe get poorer attention span. So yes, progress big, but pyramid bigger. And every like, click, and prompt you type is another stone added to the tower you don't own. Basically, human build digital pyramid. Then volunteer to be the bricks. Don't walk away. Now Gurucha show where the meat goes, who eat, who starve, and why AI feast never end. In old tribe, hunter bring back mammoth, tribe share meat. Now, machine hunt, company sell meat, tribe get smell. Machine not evil, it just follow command. But command come from top of pyramid. So when machine make 1,000 paintings, 1,000 songs, 1,000 lines of code, wealth flow upward, not outward. This not new during Industrial Revolution. Machines made more goods, faster than ever. But factory owners built castles, while workers coughed in smoke. Now same story, but in pixels, not coal. AI built billion-dollar empires in 1 year. NVIDIA stock jumped 300%. OpenAI, Microsoft, Google add trillions in value. Meanwhile, writers, designers, coders replaced by tools they train for free. Your data fed the system. Your effort trained the model. Your creativity made the algorithm clever. But when the fees start, your name not on guest list. This is called capital capture, when tools make more money than the people using them. Machines supposed to free human. Instead, human become accessory to machine. You not creator, you content. Not worker, user, not tribe leader, data donor, and tribe cheer because everything cheaper, but cheap not same as fair. Cheap just means someone else paid price you don't see, basically. Machine not stealing your job. System already sold it while you were scrolling memes. Stay by fire. Gurucha remind you, humans still matter, but only if tribe remember what make us different. Machine now draw. Write, talk, even flirt, but still machine not alive. Yes. Machine predict words, but cannot feel them. Machine create poem, but cannot cry from it. Machine write love letter, but cannot miss anyone. Machine perfect imitator. Zero soul, zero confusion, zero doubt. Human messy, human feel too much. That messy part is what make tribe real. You see, machine know everything, except what it means to be alive, and that, for now, still your job description. Gurucha see this every day. People panic, say AI take job. But truth, AI not take meaning. You lose that only when you stop creating. Stop thinking, stop caring. Farmer wants fear tractor. Writer wants fear printing press. Every generation think new tool is apocalypse. But those who learn it, rule it. So yes, machine better at pattern. But you better at purpose. Machine can build system, but only human can build story. Basically, if you keep brain curious, heart stubborn, and soul weird, you still safe right now. Gurucha teach you secret of every age. How tribe take tool, not be ruled by it. Every age has new tool. Fire, wheel, steam, electricity, now AI. Each one promise freedom and danger. Fire once burned forest, but also cooked dinner. Wheel once crushed foot, but also built city. Machine now take job, but can also build future. The problem never tool. The problem is when tribe forget how to use it. If you don't understand the tool will understand you, and then sell you ads. If you don't learn to guide AI, someone else will use it on you. So tribe must evolve. Learn prompt, not panic. Learn to guide, not complain. Learn to train machines, not fear it, because in every revolution, the winners are the ones who learn faster than they fear. Worker who learned factory became manager. A creator who learns AI becomes multiplier. AI not God, not demon, just very expensive assistant. Use it to make art, teach kids, build tribe business, find new ideas. Let it serve you, not replace you, basically. The future not about who's smarter, but who learns smarter. So don't run from new fire. Learn to hold it, because in every age, those who hold the tool rule. Subscribe, or Gurucha sell you to robot overlord. Gurucha vanish now. Poof!